Okay, here we are with Red and his handler. Red's a mixed breed, Roddy and Pitty, I believe. And we're getting him acclimated to being out and around. Put him in a sit stay. When you come to a stop, he goes into a sit. Boom. There you go. Good. So she's throwing kisses to get him to focus. Okay? Here we have an employee looking to get his attention. Okay? Put them in a sit stay. And I want your pops to be crisper. Okay? They're stretchy. They're a little too stretchy. I want them pop, pop, crisp, crisp. Okay? Let's keep going. So we have a distraction here. So let's get past him so he ignores. He's desensitized to whatever's going on here. Whatever we got here, whatever we got here. Okay? You got somebody coming, make a right and pass him right. There you go. There you go. All right? So if you want, come back because I have Ares coming in this direction. Ares, Alan, pay attention. I know, we are. We're coming back. Put him in a sit stay. You stopped, he sat. He has to sit. Okay, good job. So when he's craning, let's go that way. Let's go that way. Okay, there's noise there. Alan, bring him where the noise is. Go ahead. Correct. Good. Good. People are working, doing what they got to do. Lots of noise. Okay. When you're ready, about face and come back. Let's find more traffic. Let me turn this off.